How to voice search in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform this voice search. First of all, open the application. Now you can open any of the book that you're reading. So here I'm tapping on this random book. So as you can see, I'm in this certain page. Now simply double tap on the surface. So here on the top, you can see different tools that are available. Simply tap on this search tool. Now here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see this microphone icon. Simply tap on it. So it is basically a Google map. So here it will automatically read what you're saying and you'll be able to find the verse or the book that you want to search for. So as you can see, it's reading still now. So if you turn it off here, it will give you different suggestion and you will be redirected to the certain page that you want to go into. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.